In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure playback in Brave browser. If you're experiencing playback problems with streaming services or protected media content in Brave browser, this tutorial will guide you through the settings you need to adjust. Enabling secure playback can help resolve issues related to Widevine support, allowing compatible services to play protected content correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process in a simple and easy-to-follow way, so you can get everything working properly in just a few moments. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this menu to reveal additional browser options. From the list that appears, select Settings. This will open Brave's configuration area, where you can manage and customize a wide range of browser features and preferences. After entering the settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several categories designed to organize the browser's options. Locate and click Privacy and Security. This section contains important controls related to permissions, content access, and how websites interact with your browser. Once you're inside the Privacy and Security section, select Site and Shield settings. This area provides more detailed controls for website permissions and browser behavior. It allows you to determine how websites can access certain features and interact with protected content. Next, scroll down through the available settings until you reach Additional Content settings. Click on this option to reveal more advanced controls that are not displayed in the main settings categories. These additional settings include features related to protected media playback. From the expanded options, select Protected Content IDs. This is the setting responsible for managing support for protected media technologies used by many online streaming platforms. Without the proper permissions enabled here, some services may be unable to play their protected content correctly. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Sites Can Play Protected Content. Enable this setting by selecting the appropriate option. This allows supported websites to access the necessary components required for protected media playback. Just below it, you'll find another setting called Sites Can Use Identifiers to Play Protected Content. Enable this option as well. This setting works alongside the first one and helps websites properly verify protected content before playback begins, ensuring full compatibility with supported media services. Once both settings have been enabled, secure playback support is successfully configured in Brave browser. Protected content should now function correctly, and services that rely on Widevine technology should be able to play media without the playback issues you may have encountered previously. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.